watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail. You guys are really good at this. Were you guys practicing before I got here? It's showing. It really is showing. Well done. Very proud of you guys. Good form. Well, welcome in. Watch your head, watch your step, use that handrail. Watch your step, use that handrail. Come on board. Come on board. Oh no, don't come on board. Come on, excited. Welcome in, watch your head, step, use that handrail. Well, it looks like this might be the last of us, so in that case, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Oh, wow, looks like they're loaded more on and more on. You know what that makes them? Really good at their jobs. Well done, Skips. You're doing great. Every hour's a power hour. Proud of you guys. Well, one more time as a refresher. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. And with that, we are going to be clear. All right, everybody pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye to those lovely Skips on the top. Bye! Oh, don't be rude, though. Pick up your least favorite hand. Wave goodbye to the ugly one, too. Bye! Bye, Skips! Bye! Yeah, guess what? We're never going to see them ever again. No, it's doubtful, yeah. Well, welcome, folks, to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Woo! Yeah! My name is Skipper Emily. I will be your skipper here today. I will also be your snake charmer, your lion tamer, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I may be your swim instructor. There's a slight chance that. Hopefully we don't need it, though. How many of us are lifeguards? Oh, no. How many of us can swim? Oh, cool. You guys are all lifeguards now. Congrats on the promotion. Very well done. I'm very proud of you guys. Well, right here we are turning into the Amazon rainforest, the only forest with 2-day free shipping. So it's got that going for it. That's really fun. Yeah, now it is a mist forest, so if you don't see any animals, don't worry. You may have just missed them. That's all it is. Oh, my God, can you just make sure that you stay seated on the lap for us? Please to be seated in the lap. There we go. Perfect. Well done. We're right form. Anyway, right here we are passing the lovely Inspiration Falls. Wow. Okay. Let's get inspired by Inspiration Falls. Let's say, ooh. Let's say, ah. And guys back there, both of them do need to be seated in a lap for us back there. There we go, perfect, well done. I know you're very inspired by Inspiration Falls, right? Yeah, we're all inspired? Well, I'm not quite. I see that thing every 15 minutes, so it doesn't really work on me anymore. So I think we should inspire me. Let's say, Skipper Emily, you're doing so amazing.
You're doing so amazing.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so sweet. Okay, I promised myself I wouldn't cry this time, but here we are. Okay, well, you have inspired me so much. We're just going to turn on to the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. How about that? Let's do it. It'll be fun. I promise. I promise. Oh, and right here, we're passing our boats and bait shop. So it's run by my good friend Skipper Felix, but that's so weird. I don't see him there. Canoe. I don't know. He must have stepped out. Maybe we'll find him somewhere along the way. Hopefully, maybe. Whoa, that's a big snake. Okay, so does anybody know what this snake is called? It starts with a P. It's a very close. Plastic. But that was so close. I can see where you guys would think that. I'll give you half points. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh, no, not again. Okay, so funny story here. The gorillas, they've been getting into the photography camp. They've been watching Tarzan. It's been a terrible influence on them. So we're just going to split on out of here. But make sure you don't make any banana noises. They do find that to be quite appealing. Yeah, they do. Yeah, well, right here we are turning onto the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. It goes on for Nile, say Nile, say Nile. If you don't believe me, you may be in
Disbelief.
very close, Africa. But that was so close, all right? I didn't know where the Nile was before I studied either. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, right here we are passing an African elephant. Now, I taught him a pretty cool trick, okay? He's going to jump over the boat and land on the other side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, he did it. Wow, round of applause for him. Woo! Yeah! Wow. Somebody call Elephant's Got Talent, right? That's a star right there. It really is. Oh, right here, this is Dwayne. He's one of our boulder attractions, but I think he really rocks. I do, yeah. He'll be leading us into the African veldt. There's so many animals here. We have some long-necked cheetahs back there. We got the horses that took out Mufasa in the front there. Yikes. We got some striped Dalmatians way back there. That's really fun. Oh, and look how sweet this is. This group of lions, they're taking care of that sleeping striped Dalmatian. Aww. Although he does look kind of dead. Tired. Dead tired. Let's just let him rest, okay? In peace. Oh, guys. So now, here's Skipper Felix. Remember I was telling you guys all about Skipper Felix? Yeah, he's right down there at the bottom. Hi, Skipper Felix. I'm covering your shift, dude. Oh, wow, that looks rough. Oh, no. Well, did you guys know that rhinos can run as fast as a horse? It It's true. Yeah. Did you know that Skipper Felix can't? No, he really can't. Yeah, he learned that the hard way, but I do think he'll get the point in the end. Yeah, something tells me he will, but what a rhino, right? No. Oh, and right here we're passing crocodile country. Well, let's listen in real close here and see if we're lucky enough to hear a crocodile. Let's see. Hey guys, it's me, I'm a crocodile. Whoa, did you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Okay, we're right in front of you. You're going to find the most beautiful, wonderful, amazing sight in all of the jungle. Oh, right behind me is Schweitzer Falls. I think Schweitzer Falls is pretty cool too, yeah. Anybody have any idea how Schweitzer Falls got its name? Any idea? Any clue? Anybody want to know? Yeah, me too. I have no idea. I was hoping one of you guys would know, but that's fine. I'll just look it up. It'll be fine. Oh, and right here, this is the first plane I learned how to fly. Yeah, fun fact, the hardest part about landing a job as a pilot, it's the ground. For sure, for sure. Write that down. Remember that. Oh, no, we have hippos. Okay, everybody remain calm. So these hippos, they did sink 6 of our boats last week, all right? But only 5 of them were mine. All right, so you do have a very talented skipper. I'm going to scare them off the way I scared off my ex. Watch this. I love you! Come meet my parents! Yeah, terrified. Yeah, 70% of the time that works every time. It does, yeah. Now, Skipper Felix told me that some chimp stole his boat and tried to learn the jokes. He's lying. That's it. They're right behind me, aren't they? All right, hey guys, how are the jokes going? Let's hear one. Why not? Let's see. Whoa, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I don't know where they picked up that language. Oh my gosh, this is a family park, guys. I'm so sorry. They're hurting their ears, but I can't keep defending them. I can't. Oh no. Now these chimps right here, they've gotten into the butterfly craze again. The hot take here, guys, butterflies, they just aren't what they used to be. No. Caterpillars. They used to be caterpillars. Yeah, but they put a mothball, so we're just going to move on from them to the moment I know you guys have all been waiting for. Now, yes, it is true. Get your cameras ready for the wonderful, the amazing, the 8th wonder of the world, the dark side of water! Yeah! Everybody, O2H! 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 Yeah, nice. That's what I hear in my nightmares. Okay, so right now we're on the Mekong River, and don't blame me, all right, but I totally did it. We're headed straight for the scary dark temple. You guys want to go in? Yeah. Yeah, well, it's a good thing you said yes. We have to go in. That would have been really bad for me if you didn't want to, all right, but don't worry. I'm going to keep my eyes closed, all right? All right, cool. Here we go. We're cool. But right now, we are in a sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. And right over here, we have a perfect example of what happens when you sit in the shower for too long. Yeah, the rumors are true. You turn into an elephant. Yeah, look at her. Used to be a skipper, and look at her now. Oh, man. It almost happened to me once, too. It's very, very scary stuff, guys. Yeah. Just kidding. I don't shower. Please, you guys should know that by now. Come on. Oh, this guy right here. He's a new hire from Splash Mountain. Sometimes he sprays the boat. If I were you, I would... Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I thought I saw a duck up there. I got really excited to show you. That's my bad. It was just a funny-looking leaf. Oh, silly of me. All right, well, let me lead us back to civilization. Hang on one second here. classic. It's a 10 out of 10, yeah. But we're back in civilization. And I know that because we are passing the world famous Jungle Cruise gift shop. But don't you worry, we did not leave those monkeys in charge of the gift shop. That would be so irresponsible. We'd never do that, no. The elephant right there, he's in charge. Yeah, and he's very, very responsible. I think he actually did my taxes last year. So I think he's qualified. He's got this covered. Should be totally fine, yeah. But right here, you're going to notice all the merchandise at the gift shop. Yeah, we're fully stocked. Now, a lot of people ask where we get all this merchandise. Now, Trader Sam, he is in charge of that. And he goes to this really cool place. It looks like he's out right now. He goes to stroller parking. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. I think some of you have. Yeah. You would be amazed what people just leave out and about. It is absolutely crazy. I mean, if you do see any of your own stuff up there, yikes. Sorry. I can offer you like a 2% discount. Alright? I think that's a steal, personally. Yeah. The promo code is Hey That's My Stuff. So definitely take advantage of that one for sure. And a lot of people also ask if we're paying that monkey right there to take those pictures, but no. He doesn't even know what money is. What would he use it for? What would he buy? No, he's doing it for the exposure. And it's going really, really well for him. It really is. Yeah. How many people's first time here at the world famous Jungle Cruise? Any first timers? First timers? Whoa, one first timer. Cool. Well, me too. Cool. So we're in the same boat here, literally, right? Yeah. Okay. I like to ask this question too, though. Okay, and be honest with me because it humbles me. All right. How many people's last time here at the world famous Jungle Cruise? Any last time? Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. After all 3 years we've just spent together. Oh man. That's okay. Was it something I said? Was it something I didn't say?
Well, your boyfriend left you.
As well. Huh? Wow. Okay. Well. All right. I'll remember that for when you ride again. All right. I'll remember that, and I will tell even worse jokes. You're very, very welcome for that one. Yeah, I'll be rehearsing just for you. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, it keeps me humble. It really does. Yeah. We're right around this corner. We are going to find the incredibly exotic, world famous Jungle Cruise dock, which means our time here at the Jungle Cruise, it's nearly coming to an end. Everybody say, aw, man. I know it's so sad, but don't cry. Don't cry. Just remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and supervise your children. You guys have been doing great so far, by the way. So pat yourselves in the back there, everybody. Well done. Well done. Children, pat yourselves in the back too. It's really hard to supervise your parents. I know, but you've been doing great. It has not gone unnoticed. Well done. 10 out of 10. A+, yeah. Well, you're going to notice that we have 2 docks here, one on each side. Okay, we call that a paradox, right? Yeah. You're going to exit out of this one straight ahead. The one with the 2 skippers on it, we call them a pair of dorks. Yeah, but don't tell them I told you that, okay? It's our little inside joke, right? Yeah? You guys have my back, and you guys would have my back. Awesome, you guys are the best, yeah. Well, if you did enjoy this ride here today, my name is Skipper Emily. This has been the Jungle Cruise. And if you didn't enjoy this ride, then my name is Figment. And this has been Journey into Imagination. Let's go with that. I think that's really fun. Yeah, I do, yeah. Well, you guys, you have been truly, truly outstanding. But soon, very soon, I do truly, truly need you guys to be outstanding on this dock right here. Yeah, this one right here. So I'm going to leave you guys with some very, very inspiring words, okay? I do believe it is a quote from the great Walt